The farmer's secret habits. What if I told you that one of the greatest teachers of success doesn't wear a suit, doesn't own a luxury car, and doesn't post motivational quotes online? He works in silence, far from the city, far from the spotlight. And yet, every successful person could learn something from him. The farmer. Because while most people dream about success, the farmer wakes up and works for it. Before the sun rises, while the world is still asleep, the farmer opens his eyes. No one is watching. No one is applauding. But he gets up anyway. Not because he feels motivated, because he understands something most people don't. Success begins long before anyone sees the results. Every morning, he walks into his fields with a purpose. Some days the sky is clear. Some days it's cold. Some days he feels tired. But the work gets done. Because discipline is doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like doing it. Then comes the habit that changes everything. Consistency. Day after day, week after week, month after month. The farmer plants seeds, waters them, protects them, and cares for them. Not once, not twice, every single day. He knows that greatness isn't built in one dramatic moment. It's built through small actions repeated over time. While others quit because results are slow, the farmer keeps going. But perhaps his greatest habit is patience. After planting a seed, he doesn't dig it up the next day to check if it's growing. He trusts the process. He understands that growth happens underground before it becomes visible. And isn't life the same? We want success overnight. We want results immediately. But the farmer teaches us that the best things in life take time. Then come the storms, heavy rain, strong winds, difficult seasons. Some crops fail. Some days are harder than others. But the farmer doesn't give up. He adapts, he learns, and he returns to the field the next morning. Because resilience is not avoiding failure. It's continuing despite it. Months pass. The tiny seeds become strong crops. The empty field becomes a golden harvest. And suddenly, everyone sees the result. But what they don't see are the early mornings, the sacrifices, the patience, the hundreds of ordinary days that made the extraordinary possible. The farmer's secret isn't really a secret. Wake up and show up. Be consistent when it's boring. Be patient when results are invisible. Keep moving when life gets difficult, because every dream is a seed, and every action is water. The question is not whether your seed can grow. The question is this: will you stay long enough to see the harvest? Plant the right habits today, and your future self will thank you for it. In short, be disciplined enough to start, even when you don't feel ready, even when motivation is nowhere to be found, because action creates momentum, and momentum creates change. Be patient enough to wait, because every seed grows beneath the surface before it breaks through the soil. Not every effort rewards you immediately, but every effort counts. Be consistent enough to continue, especially when progress feels slow, especially when nobody notices your hard work, because the harvest belongs to those who refuse to quit. Stop chasing quick results. Start building lasting habits. Stop looking for shortcuts. Start trusting the process. Stop focusing on how far you have to go. Focus on the next step in front of you. The farmer doesn't become successful in a single day. He becomes successful by winning thousands of ordinary days. One sunrise, one seed, one effort at a time. That's the farmer's secret, and it can become yours too. Plant discipline, water it with patience, protect it with consistency, and one day you'll harvest a life you once only dreamed of.